Good morning to all. Today we will see chapter 3 line segment. Here line, first we have to understand what is line. Line is a straight set of points which moves on and on in both directions. It has no end point. Its length cannot be measured. This definition we will understand by the example figure that line is a straight set of points. So there is a straight set of points are given. Many points are given, which moves on and on in both direction. Which moves on and on in both direction. This side it will also move. Right side and left side will also move. There are the sets of points, and the line moves on and on in both direction. It has no end point. There is no end point in this line, and the length of line cannot be measured because it is moving on and on. Here we can move again this line segment, and here also we can move the line again, so its length cannot be measured. One more here. There are again sets of points I am making, and by this we have to make a line which move upside and downside also. Its length cannot be measured. Now line segment. Line segment is a part of line having two endpoints. The length of line segment can be measured. Means suppose we are making one line. So line segment is a part of line. It means if we will cut this line by two endpoints, so this is our line segment. This is our line segment. This line segment can be measured by scale or ruler. It means in line segment there are how many end points? Two end points. And the length of line segment can be measured. How many centimeter? You have to measure by your scale. Now ray is a part of line having one end point and moves in only one direction. Its length cannot be measured. Means first we have to make a line, and ray is a part of line. It means we have to make a part of line, means we have to make one end point, and from here one end point there is one ray we can able to form. In this ray there is only one end point and one is the initial point. It means from here we can able to move ray in one direction. One more example I am giving. This is the ray. Here this is the end point, and this is the initial point. Initial means starting points where we can able to extend the ray in one direction. And here also the ray is extending. It means its length cannot be measured. Now see parallel lines. Two or more than two lines which do not intersect or cut each other. These lines are called parallel lines. It means there is one line and this is the second line. If we will extend also this line, then also these lines are not intersecting each other, or these lines are not cutting each other. So these lines are what? Parallel lines. Here minimum two lines are there and maximum many lines. One more example I am giving. This is also a parallel lines, because these lines are not intersecting each other. So parallel lines means two or more than two lines which do not intersect or cut each other. These lines are called parallel lines. Now see intersecting lines. Two or more than two lines which intersect each other at a point are called intersecting lines. It means there is one line and there is one more line which intersect at a point It means these both lines are intersecting lines. And a point where lines intersect each other is known as point of intersection. This point is what? Point of intersection. Now one more example. We can able to draw many lines which intersect at a point. So these all lines are what? Intersecting lines. These all are the intersecting lines. Now collinear point. Collinear point are 3 or more than 3 points which lie on the same straight line. It means one we have to make a straight line, and in which how many points? 3 or more than 3 points. So this is the first point, second point and third point. So these points are what? Collinear points. Suppose we have to make one more straight line and there are more than 3 points, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, 6 point. So these are all the collinear point. Collinear points are 3 or more than 3 points which lie on same straight lines is known as collinear point. All the points are lie on a same straight line.